We are now in our episode 3, and I just want to thank all our viewers and our subscribers. And I'm sure that you will enjoy this last episode because we're going to have a guest from Japan and she will talk about her abilities. Her name is Chinatsu. She's one of our students and our student staff. Now we're talking about abilities. So she is the best person to share her experience about her ability in dancing.
When I was 13 years old, I started dancing. My mother asked me if I wanted to learn dancing while I was watching dance program on TV, and I wanted to start something new. That's why I said yes to her.
That's good. Did you feel from yourself like, oh, I think I can dance? I think I can improve my dancing skills?
Actually, I'm confident to have skill in playing sports or exercising.
Okay.
I know I have skill, that's why I was confident.
Yes, and because exercises and playing sports, we talk about movements of the body, right?
Right.
So somehow you can, do synchronization of your movements, which is actually applied in dancing. That's interesting. What was your training and discipline in dancing? Like, how many times do you practice?
I practice dancing every day, seriously every day. After I finished my school, I went to dance studio directly, and I had 3 or 4 hours for weekdays. And for weekends, I spent time whole day in our dance studio. And when we had an important event such as competitions, we practiced until midnight, like 1 a.m. or 2 a.m.
Wow.
So it was very tough for me.
In dancing, there are different genres of dancing, right? We have hip hop, ballet, jazz, and even Latin American kind of dancing. Okay, but do you focus only on one genre, or you tried all the genres in dancing?
My main genre were jazz and hip hop. I used to try to dance another genre like ballet.
Oh, ballet.
Tap dance, rock, pop, like that.
Okay.
But I didn't have talent, and these were not my taste. That's why I couldn't keep practicing that kind of genres.
All right. So you told yourself that I'm gonna choose one genre only. So you focused on what kind of genre again?
Hip hop.
Hip hop. So guys, if you're watching right now, remember, when you do something, even if you have the ability, make sure that you just focus on one thing to develop that skill, right? Because if you're gonna try a lot of things, I'm sure that you will not improve, or maybe you will improve, but not, you will not be better at what you're doing.
You will be confused, I guess.
Exactly, that's the right word. You will be confused if you're, I want to try all of these things. I want to try ballet, I want to try Roomba, Latin dance. But, try your best to improve your skills or your abilities and focus on just one. You have danced for how many years?
I learned for 10 years.
10 years. Okay, so with that 10 years of experience in dancing, which level do you consider yourself now? Beginner, intermediate, or advanced?
Definitely, I'm intermediate. Not beginner.
I believe so.
Not professional.
Yes.
As you know, I had practiced for 10 years. But there are many people who dance much better than me, so I cannot say I'm professional. Just I wanna enjoy my dance, and maybe I can teach people who don't know
how to dance in a beginner level, right? All right. So at present, you are taking an English course or an online English course, right? What is your course?
My course is IELTS.
IELTS course. Okay. Why did you choose IELTS course?
4 years ago, I was a student in CIP, and my previous course was ASL.
All right.
And I already passed the course, so that's why I chose IELTS to improve my ability more.
Okay, so you decided to challenge yourself to a higher level of study. But you know what? You did a good job because you started with this beginner level. You have chosen a course that have matched, right, your abilities.
Right. I have a friend who took all of courses. That's why I.
All of courses.
When I was a student,
I see.
Batchmates.
All right.
They had their each course, including business, TOEIC.
Okay.
That's why
All right.
I could hear their story in their classes, like
their experiences in the class.
So that's why I could compare.
Okay.
Between.
Which one should I take? So, to our audience, it doesn't mean that you will take an advanced course. That's the only way for you to improve English skills. No, we're not talking about it. What we're talking about is first start with the beginner level. And if you think that you're already good at that, then you can move and, choose another course. Like, ask yourself, what is my level now? Am I still in beginner? Am I like intermediate? Can I understand a reading passage now or not yet? These are the questions that you should ask yourself when you choose an English course. For our last two questions, the first one, what advice can you give to those Japanese students who like dancing but they are confused which one or which genre to choose?
At first, they need to try all of genres and they can choose one which is suitable for them.
Alright.
So just try and try to find which is suitable for you.
Okay. How about in choosing an English course? Do you think it's the same? Try everything first? What do you think? In your experience or from your experience?
In my experience, maybe you should search information on the internet or rely on your friends who took the courses. And it is difficult for us to try every courses. That's why just collect information and which is much for me. Maybe you can think about it. In my opinion, most of the Japanese students don't like making mistakes. They hesitate to make mistakes. That's why they make them get intimidated in the classes. So they care about errors too much.
Yes.
So, but I think mistakes can give you improvement. And
I like that phrase. Good.
it's like don't be afraid of making mistakes is my advice.
Listen to our guest. She's right. Most of those people with talents and skills commit mistakes. And for you to improve your talent, you should experience that one. Right? Because the more you try to be careful to commit errors or mistakes, the more you will fail. Like, the more you get frustrated. You know what's the end point? The end point will be you will stop.
Right.
So yeah, that's right. When you're choosing, when you're trying to improve your abilities or your skills, do not be afraid to commit mistakes. Okay? So you heard it from our Japanese guest.
CIP の YouTube チャンネル登録よろしくお願いします。CIP English TV で検索してみてください。そして英語を勉強したい方、興味のある方、ぜひ CIP のウェブサイトへ遊びに来てください。CIpenglish.com で検索お願いします。